Excuse me, MCPD. Whoop. Oh, that looks like the perfect little road. Let's just take that, shall we? Excuse me. Off my city streets. Excuse me. Oh, that's mass casualties. Woo! Crazy hillbilly. No one here. No one here at all. Ultimate stealth mode. You don't see my car because it's under another car. Look, he's gonna get glitched out on the car. No? Oh, there he goes. First off, hey girl, burn you. Second off, hey man, ping you. Third off, save. This is a suicide run. Okay, down here. Over the barbed wire. Headshot, give me the knife back. Headshot, give it back. Headshot, give it back. Headshot. All right, she's down. They still didn't spot me. Save again. Nice job. On to the next one. Miss completely. Good. Good. I like these odds. Burn. Take one to the head. Take two. Didn't take two. Take three. Take four. Take five. Take six. Take seven. Take eight. There you go. 8 should do it. Congratulations. Now you're dead. I love my parking job. Don't you? Who's playing the terrible music? Where's the terrible music coming from? Stop. They have another one? They have more? Okay, this is gonna drive me crazy. Really? I swear to God, I still hear it. How many speakers do you fuckers have? Where is it? That was it? We should make sure that all of them are dead. Because there's a really annoying thing where if you poison them to death with your knife, they're not... See, like, look at this man. He's like taking a snooze. But I want his XP. So, you know. Sacrifices and all. Yeah, she's definitely dead. Definitely dead. With a splitting gooch. Hey, everyone's here is gonna die. You ready for it? I don't think you're ready for it. Yeah, it is just you and me. Hey. No. Stop that. Okay. I need you to stop. Thank you. Wow, that hurts you quite a bit. Alright. Attempt number 2. It's going to be a lot like attempt number 1, but successful. Damn it. Can't I just hit all my headshots? Really? Really? Don't look at me. Don't. Come on. Come on. Why are you doing this? Okay. Well, that one actually blew off his head. It was kind of satisfying. Oh, not a headshot. He's still gonna die regardless. Whoa. Okay. No. You're taking fire. Ironically, it's friendly fire. Hey. Okay, he's dead. See you so long. I'm sick of shouting. Fuck everyone who doubted. I'm gonna tickle your butthole. Oh no. You don't know me. What are you fighting for? 'Cause you're dying for it. Wow, that's it's an interesting position. The Holy Spirit had entered her body, and I assume she liked it. You're gonna bow out of this fight. Pop! I don't know why you would do that to yourself. Why would you just... And... Oh, wow. Okay. Hey. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, you are. I'm glad you noticed that, though. Because you are quite fucked. Excuse me. Just out of the way, please. You... Just take yourself out of the equation if you don't mind. Hello. Hello. It's nice to meet all of you. Oh, what a lovely day, isn't it? Really? I came here expecting a fight, all right? I was assuming I was going to see a death red skull on top of that man's head. I was expecting my life to be lost several times over. I was ready for the fight. But this is just going to be boring. Excuse me. I'm gonna find you first. I guarantee it. You didn't die! No, now he's dead. Whoop. Excuse me. Excuse... Ah, damn it. Oh! I got cocky! Alright. Really? It doesn't count if it goes in the nape of his neck? Nope, nope, nope. Why did you bend over to do some stupid high jump hit? Whoop. Okay, I need to reactivate. Nope, nope. This is my saddest attempt. No. Just because it's my worst attempt so far. Least clean, least accurate. I am not going to die on it. Just... I'm over this fight. Just end it for me, please. I'm gonna go looting. How many friends you got? What? 4. Nope. 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 Redemption. Redemption. Yep. Oh my god. I keep forgetting. I need to make sure they're dead. You can still attack people but not kill them. I don't understand why that would happen when I throw a knife in their head and then a split second later a massive injection of poison enters their cranium and just floods their brain, and they immediately fall over and then roll over and start to take a nap. Don't mind me. I'm just sitting here twitching. What, this 6-inch knife just poking out the front of my head, and the massive amount of poison flooding my face right now, just streaming down. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. So then I have to go through the entire battlefield and double tomahawk people. Oh! Another one's alive! Whoosh! That's unacceptable. Oh. Now I'm really gonna look like a hillbilly. Excuse me, I'm not trying to start a fight. I'm just trying to pull up my car. Do I go through this door? Yes. Okay, excuse me. I don't want to hit you. Just move. Yep. That works. Oh, really? I'm not committing any crime here. I'm at most a public disturbance. Can we address the fact I can have level 3 heat on me? The cops are actively trying to murder me as a crowd attempts to run away. Alright, this is a live firefight. Lives are on the line. And then I enter a very shady establishment that is known to sell knives. And they're just like, "Yeah, he's shopping. We'll get him later." It's okay. Hostages? What are hostages? Why would you even think about that? It's not meant to be funny. You got in my way. Yeah, that's a better reaction. How dare you? No, where are you going? Where are you going? You're not gonna outrun me. Oh, going into civilians? Poor option. You think that's gonna slow me down? Are you joking? Pathetic. And you're shooting her? You're shooting the car that I just ran into all of your friends? Seriously? I just rammed her into a group of civilians. Just flipped her car and just mowed them over. And their homies with automatic weapons that were standing next to them, instead of shooting the car that was forcing her to run over multiple innocents, they opened fire on the girl in the car. You know, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love the time and energy and money. Lots of money. And you know what they managed to do with that? Make a fairly interesting, amazing looking game with some really cool, shiny tack-ons. Fun bits that make you go, "Woo!" in the theater. You know what I mean? When you see them, you're like, I can't wait to use that. That looks so much fun. And it makes for some lacking, fairly basic back-end content. It is annoying and funny at the best of times, and game-breakingly ironic at the worst. Sweet.
Bang bang, here we come.
Oop. Nope. Here they come, because they're the ones that are still alive in this situation. But don't worry, it's not for long. Yes. Please approach me directly on the front stairs. That will be very nice and will assist heavily in my aim. I will survive. You will never kill me. I will survive. But you will not. Excuse me. I like your flamingos.
This is the fucking end.
Yep, it is. Boop. Boop. Where's the music coming from now? Stop that. Where are all this? No. Stop it. God, this is my nightmare. They're everywhere. Quiet. Ooh. Where are you going? Oh, you're going over those stairs, huh? Oh, I can. Come on. Oh, damn it. Don't die. Yes. I still see her. We're going after her. Okay, yeah, she doesn't even know where she's going. Pokey, come here. Pokey.
Shit.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'm completely harmless. There is no reason to fear me.